For too long, we have spoken words of sickness and fear to our bodies. Today, we change the conversation. Today, we speak the language of miraculous healing. Close your eyes. Withdraw your attention from the outside world. Turn your gaze inward. Tell your body to relax. Command it. Say to your feet, relax. Say to your stomach, relax. Say to your mind, be still. As your conscious mind becomes quiet, the door to your subconscious opens. The Master Builder is ready to receive new instructions. You are sinking deeper into a state of perfect peace. Nikola Tesla taught us a secret. If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. Your body appears solid, but it is not. Under a microscope, you are mostly empty space and vibrating atoms. When you are sick or tired, your vibration is simply out of tune. Today, we are going to tune your instrument. We are going to expose your cells to the frequency of repair, 528 Hz. The miracle tone. Focus on the sound you hear in the background. Don't just hear it with your ears. Feel it with your skin. Imagine the sound is a wave of emerald green light. It is entering the room. It is surrounding you. Unlike words, frequency does not need permission. It travels through walls. It travels through your body. Let the sound wash over you. Surrender to the vibration. Now, we go deeper. Imagine we are zooming in, past your skin, past your tissues, into the very center of your cells. See the double helix of your DNA, the blueprint of who you are. In a perfect state, it glows with golden light. But stress has caused it to dim. Visualize the sound waves hitting your DNA strands. Like a gentle massage, the vibration is shaking loose any blockages. See the strands glowing brighter. The vibration is knitting them back together. Repairing, restoring, regenerating. Now zoom out. See all the trillions of cells in your body. Imagine they are all beginning to vibrate in unison with the music. Humming together, like a choir. Feel a tingling sensation in your hands, your feet, your spine. This tingling is life force. It is electricity. You are recharging your battery. Say to yourself, I am in resonance with health. My vibration is rising. Every cell is awake and alive. Feel your body becoming lighter, less dense. You are pure energy. You are light. Pain cannot exist in this high frequency. Fear cannot exist in this high frequency. Bathe in this feeling of absolute harmony. It is done. You have retuned your system. Carry this high vibration with you into your day. When you feel stress, remember this tone. Remember that you are energy. Take a deep breath. Open your eyes. You are new. Namaste.